What projects actually add value to your home in 2026? Well, before you grab a paintbrush or start tearing out your kitchen, there are a few things you need to know. The right upgrades can help you sell faster and for more money, while the wrong ones can eat into your profit and turn off buyers before they even walk through the door. Here's how to tell the difference. Number one, skip the expensive mistakes. Let's start with what not to do. Going all in on a swimming pool, luxury landscaping, or a new solar system usually does not pay off. According to the latest cost versus value report, exterior updates that are not essential return just 36% of what you put in. That means for every dollar you spend, you're getting back less than 40 cents. Meanwhile, buyers want homes that feel clean, complete, and move-in ready, not a work in progress. So if you start a project, finish it. That missing cabinet or half-done tile job could end up costing you way more than you think. Number two, focus on cosmetic updates. This is where you get real bang for your buck, and the data backs it up. New flooring and fresh paint can generate a 4x to 5x return on investment, making them the highest return updates you can do. Behind that are countertops, light fixtures, and doorknobs, which return about 300%. And if actual remodeling is needed, focus on mid-range updates like a minor kitchen remodel or a bathroom remodel. Both kitchen and bath remodels are returning about 150 to 200% return on investment right now, compared to just 80% for a luxury remodel. You can also tidy up the yard, replace worn carpet, and stick to light, neutral paint. Buyers want homes that feel fresh, updated, and move-in ready. First impressions matter, and most buyers decide how they feel about a home before they ever step inside. If you want to know where to put money in that will get you a return on your investment, download our top renovation ideas for maximum return report right here below the video. Number three, don't hire the cheapest contractor you can find. Hiring the right contractor can make or break your project, so take time to find someone you trust. You can ask friends and neighbors for referrals, check local Facebook groups, or reach out to us for a referral. Once you have a few names, get at least 3 written quotes. Confirm that they're licensed and ask to see photos of their recent work and if they have a designer in-house or one that they work with. A really good contractor will help you with design and finish selections that can make the difference between a remodel that looks just okay to one that looks amazing. On that note, don't pick fixtures or tile selections based on what's cheapest or just in stock. Shaving the budget here might seem like a way to save money, but in the end, it will end up costing you. And one more thing, get everything in writing before the work begins. A clear contract protects both of you. If you're planning to sell this year and you want to focus on the improvements that actually add value, not just expensive ones, I'd love to help. We actually have an AI home renovation value tool that can estimate the cost of renovation, the value increase you can expect for your home, and even generate before and after images so you can see what the finished product would look like. To do a virtual makeover on your home, click on the link to our AI home renovation tool below the video. When the time comes to decide, I can help you figure out what makes the most sense for your home, your timeline, what buyers in your area are looking for right now. Call or email me to set up a free, no obligation strategy call, and we can put a plan together that gets you your best return.